Hey guys, Jamstar here. We're talking about the sync button today. Should you use it? Maybe. When should you use it? When you're trying to sync. People have this big problem because some DJs are lazy and they'll be like, "Oh, you're using the sync button." First of all, the sync button is particularly if you're playing, like, I play bass house, right? My preferred BPM is 130, so I don't really have to use that. If I do, so what? Some people are, I don't know if she does. I haven't watched her handwork, but like, let's say Sarah Landry or somebody who plays hard techno, like I forget his name. They play hard techno or whatever. If they want to use the sync button, or any genre music use the sync button, let them do it. Okay. They should be beat matching manually. Okay. But sometimes you're just doing things so fast or whatever, all this stuff could happen. And if the sync button will save that segment, those two songs, from coming out of whack. Okay, the DJ, unless someone's sitting over your shoulder, you know what's going on. Okay, maybe song 3 and 4, something happened and you had to press the sync button so it can link up because this maybe your laptop overheated or something like that and it fidgeted, so you had to press the sync button real quick to save the mix. Cool. If you're doing it consistently, new laptop, service it, or new laptop. Yeah, new laptop. I've had that problem before. I had to get a new one. But the sync button, who cares? Like, why are you concerned with what people are doing? If you pay attention, to be honest, that tells everybody who can take it. If you paid attention to your own decks, right, you wouldn't be concerned with everybody else's mix. Okay, take that and apply it to life. All right. If you're not paying attention to other people's decks, you have time to apply it to your own deck. To your own decks, something like that, because I didn't say the right thing, but you know what I mean. Okay, this is how you become better. You're aware of everybody else in the sync button, whatever the hell they're doing. Okay, it doesn't matter. You do what works best for you, aside from paying somebody to pre-record your mix and play it like you're doing something. Okay, because you should be shaming yourself. All right, so remember, like, follow, and share. My name is DJ Jumpstar. I'll see you guys later.